Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Raika Zafira. I'm here with my colleagues, Vinesh and Shiva. We are final year students from University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. And this interview, part of completing our assignment in subject engineering, ethics and Oshe. We truly appreciate you taking the time to be part of this session and sharing your valuable insight with us. We will try not to take up too much time for this discussion. To begin, would you mind briefly introduce yourself and let us know which company you are currently working with? Additionally, which department are you part of?
Okay, thank you for inviting me for interview session today for your course engineering ethics. Okay, my name is Muhammad Aziz bin Muhammad Arif Teo and I'm 25 years old. I'm graduate from University Kuala Lumpur in Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering. And then, I'm working at a Torre company, which is a Torre Plastic Malaysia, Sendian Berhad, as a process engineer in a production department. And then, my role as a process engineer, I'm primarily responsible to ensuring efficiency and quality of the product process, and particularly during polymerization.
Yes.
Can you explain your main responsibilities as an engineer at your company?
So, my responsibility, my main task in here, I'm working analyze the root cause of a failure, and then preparing the necessary of a chemical for production, identifying factors that influence the manufacturing process, and then addressing any abnormal machine behavior related to my process. Additionally, I work on implementing process improvement to enhance the overall production quality and efficiency.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Azim.
Okay, good morning.
Okay, to begin with, could you share your personal understanding of engineering ethics?
Okay, thank you, Shiva. So to me, engineering ethics involve adhering to a set of principles that prioritize safety, integrity, responsibility, and respect for society and the environment. And being an ethical engineer means always ensuring that my decision and action contribute positively to the well-being of people, the sustainable of the planet, and also and so on. And my daily work, it influenced me to ensure all process comply with safety regulation and then minimize waste, because my first process is post polymerization, and then we also have waste like coagulate, which is we make a plastic, the first process, and then involve which is poison gas, like BD, butadiene gas, and then also like chemical, like monomer, and so on. So this particular that not reaction, like gas, for example, gas that not react, we will burn to the flash stack to control.
Okay. So, do you think that engineering ethics is important and should be applied in every aspect of an engineer's work?
Especially engineering is crucial, should be applied in every aspect of engineer work. That is because engineer often deal with system, materials, and decision that directly affect public safety and environment health and financial investment. Without ethics practice, the consequence could be catastrophic, such as compromised safety, environment damage, or even loss of trust in the profession. For For example, at my workplace, ensuring strict adhere to safety standard during chemical handling is essential to protect both worker and the environment.
Would you mind briefly introducing yourself and let us know which company you are currently working?
Good afternoon to all. My name is Ari Shankar. I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Pahang. So I'm working in Rubber Flex Sendian Berhad in Bentong, Pahang.
What is the primary responsibility of an engineer according to the code of ethics, for your understanding?
Okay, for engineers must protect other people confidential information and also intellectual property rights, particularly those not profit and engineering professional association. For engineer also must avoid any action that reflect poorly on the profession and only make impartial genuine statement in the public.
Okay. How do you ensure your work complies with ethical standards and regulation?
Compliance with the ethical standard and regulation, right?
Yeah, standards and regulation.
Okay, so I give some for compliance and standard and regulation. So first, we implement a robust quality management system, and second is like document control, which is we control the confidential files like that. And for number three, we also can utilize a comprehensive training software system. And also we can prepare for regulatory audit like internal audit and external audit. So mostly we have audit in my previous company also we have audit like ISO audit and IATF, which is mostly IATF we mostly use in automotive companies. And also we can operate in a validated environment and appoint a compliant officer to verify the regulation, standard regulation we are following or not. And also we establish and maintain the policy and procedure by a company and department, our government department as well.
Can you share some of the key benefits that come from applying ethical principles in the profession?
Okay, for applying ethical principle in profession, one is build a good reputation from our team member and increase the attractiveness of company business. And number three, like attract outstanding employee. And also we prove social conscience.
Okay. So, Mr. Hari, in your opinion, what are the long-term benefits for a company that prioritizes ethical standards in their engineering projects?
So for the long term, we are enhancing the company reputation and establishing a level of trust with the consumer and stakeholder.
Okay, now we are nearing the end of our discussion. I'd like to ask you one final question. Do you think the subject engineering ethics and Oshe is important for students who will be future engineers? How does it prepare them for their career?
Yeah, for the subject engineering ethics and OSH is important for the student currently because for future engineer as well. Because the studying ethics allows the engineer to better understand what kind of behavior is expected from them and their duties toward in their profession and client and public. It also prepares engineer for possible ethical issues that they might face during their career and give them an idea for dealing with those issues.
That's very insightful answer. So you agree that this subject was very important. And Oshe
Yes.
is more than just a subject. Plus, it's an essential part of developing responsible to future engineer.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for your time today, Mr. Hari. Your insights have been incredibly valuable, and we've learned a lot from your experience and then the importance of ethics and OSHA in your engineering field. Thank you so much.
Thanks again, Mr. Hari. I'll be sure to carry these lessons with me as I continue my journey in engineering fields. Hope you have a great day after this.
Thank you, Ms. Hari.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.